Hello everyone, I'm Sheetal and welcome to this quick Excel tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to use the SUMIF formula in Excel. The SUMIF formula is very important function in Excel when you want to do a sum of values based on a condition. In this Excel file, I have a small table with one column named product category and other column named sales amount. The product category column includes electronics, furnitures, and AC, and there are respective sales. Now, I want to know the total sales for electronics. For this, we are going to use the SUMIF function in Excel. So, here I am writing the formula sum if open bracket. Here, the SUMIF formula wants three things: the range, criteria, and the sum range. The range is where Excel finds your criteria. So our range will be product category. Criteria is something which we are looking for. So we are looking for the total sales of electronics. So here our criteria is electronics and the sum range. The sum range is the sales amount for which we want the sum. Close the bracket and hit enter. There you go. The Excel finds the total sales for electronics 86,000. In the same way, you can find the total sales for furniture and AC. Let's find it out. Is equals to sum if, again the range will be same, product category. Now our criteria is furniture and the sum range will be same as before. Close the bracket and hit enter. There you go, 39,000. The same way we can find for AC, sum if, product category, comma, criteria will be AC, and the sales amount. Close the bracket, hit enter. 12,000 because there is only one amount. So, the SUMIF formula is very easy and super helpful for analysis. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for more Excel tips. See you soon. Bye.